Hello students, today let us learn a new chapter 7 Practical Geometry. Under this you are going to construct a quadrilateral. So these quadrilateral may be having 4 sides and 1 diagonal or 2 diagonals with 3 sides. Okay, they'll give the measurement of 4 sides and 1 diagonal and 3 sides of 2 diagonal. So let us solve some problems based on this topic. Let us solve few problems. In exercise 7.1, let us construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral ABCD. Let us construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral ABCD. AB is equal to 4.5 cm, BC 5.5, CD 4 cm, AD 6 cm, AC 7 cm. So, before solving this problem, you have to construct one quadrilateral, rough quadrilateral. Okay. Quadrilateral means what? It is having 4 sides, isn't it? How many sides in quadrilateral? 4 sides. So this may be A, B, C, D. Okay. So what is given in AB? Simply have drawn. You can draw square or quadrilateral means any shape which is having 4 sides. Okay. AB is equal to 4.5 cm. BC is equal to 5.5 cm. ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. CD is equal to 4 cm, AD is equal to 6 cm, one more is given AC. So this AC is the diagonal. So A ಮತ್ತು C ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೋ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 7 cm. Now let us construct this quadrilateral. Before constructing, so let us take this AB 4.5 cm. ಅಲ್ವಾ ರಫ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, AB 4.5 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 4.5ನ ಒಂದು ಈ 0 ಇಂದನೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ 0 ಇಂದನೇ 4 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 5 ಇದೆ, 5 ಮಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು 0.5 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 4.5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, 4 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು 4.1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4.10 ಆಗಲ್ಲ, 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 5, ಹಾಗೆ 5.1, 5.2 ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ AB 4.5 centimeter. To construct BC you need ಕಾಂಪಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಂಪಸ್ ಇಲ್ದೇ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಈ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು 5.5 cm ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಯಿತಾ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ 5.5 cm ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಪಸ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿ ಸಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 5.5 cm ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂದ ಸಿಗೆ 5.5 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಕ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಎ ಸಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈಗ ಸಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎ ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎ ಸಿ ಯಾವುದು, 7 cm. ಎಸ್, ಎ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ 7 cm. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ಎ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಕನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಈಗ 2 ಆರ್ಕ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ನೌ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ದಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ಸಿ ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಬಿ ಇಂದ ಬಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, 5.5 cm. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 7 cm. ಇನ್ನೂ 2 ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎ ಡಿ ಏನು 6 cm. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 6 cm. ವಿ ಟುಕ್ 6 cm ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ಕ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ನೀವು ಕಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 4 cm. ಸಿ ಟು ಡಿಗೆ 4 cm ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು 4 cm, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ Okay, nothing happens. Istu udda idru ಏನು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, nothing happens. So you sharp pencil and cut. Okay, so this is the point and this is D. You have to join D to A, which is of 6 centimeter, and you have to join from D to C, so which is of 4 centimeter. So we got the quadrilateral. Let us solve one more problem. Rhombus BEST, where BE is given 4.5 centimeter, ET is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, here I have drawn one rhombus BEST. Okay, we know that all the four sides of the rhombus are equal. All the four sides of the rhombus are equal. So if all the four sides are equal, if BE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, then ES is also 4.5 centimeter and ST is also 4.5, and here TB is equal to 4.5 is also 4.5 centimeter. And they have given ET. What is here ET? ET is a diagonal. So ET is a diagonal. Let us construct that. So which is given 6 centimeter. First, now let us draw 6 centimeter. Okay, this is 6 centimeter and this is T and E. Let us measure 4.5 centimeter and let us draw an arc. 4.5 centimeter, and this is already 4.5. From T also let us draw an arc which is just cutting. Okay, so let me extend this also till here. Yes, we got a point here, isn't it? So let us join it. This point is S. Okay, so let us join. We got TS and also SE. Yes, which is 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. Again let us construct 4.5 from here. This is B. Yes, we got. This is all about construction and it is very easy. You just try to solve the few more problems which is in the exercise. Let us solve one more exercise, exercise 7.2. Construct the following quadrilaterals, quadrilateral LIFT. So we know that quadrilateral has four sides. Let us draw one quadrilateral. Okay, simply I have drawn one quadrilateral with four sides. Here LIFT is given. LIFT. Okay, LI is 4 centimeter, IF is 3 centimeter, TL is given. TL means this one 2.5 centimeter. LF means this point from here to here. One line is there, that is diagonal, which is of 4.5 centimeter, and IT is given, which is of 4 centimeter. This is also one more diagonal. So there are two diagonals in this. So this is 4 centimeter. Constructing this rough diagram, let us draw a line segment which is of 4 centimeter. So this one is 4 centimeter. So I am mentioning this as LI 4 centimeter. So now Let us construct this IF. So IF is how many centimeter? 3 centimeter. So measure that 3 centimeter. We got 3 centimeter. Let us construct an arc. Okay, we got, and then here LT is 2.5 centimeter. So this is a very small quadrilateral. 2.5 centimeter. Okay, we got that. Then you have to draw a diagonal, that is 4.5 centimeter from L to F. So 4.5 means yes, now it is 4.5. Draw an arc such that it must cut. Okay, we got. So first let us join that. And here also let us join, and this point is what? F. Okay, now we have to draw one more diagonal which is of 4 centimeter. Okay, we got, and let us join this one. Yes, so this is of how many centimeter? 4 centimeter. This one 4.5 centimeter. This is 2.5, and this one is T. Okay, yes, we have mentioned all the alphabets, and this is all about the construction of quadrilateral. We just try to solve other problems in exercise 7.1 and 7.2. Thank you.